हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल योर इंग्लिश स्कूल वोकैबुलरी। हमारी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू। टुडे वी विल डू डेली रूटीन वोकैबुलरी। डेली रूटीन में जो वोकैबुलरी हम यूज करते हैं आज हम वो पढ़ेंगे। लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। आई लिसन टू सम म्यूजिक। आई लिसन टू some music. I listen to some music. I turn on the TV. I turn on the TV. I prepare breakfast for my family. I prepare breakfast for my family. I have my breakfast. I have my breakfast. I call my mom. I call my mom. I call my mom. I prepare my lunch. I prepare my lunch. I prepare my lunch. I pack my lunch. I pack my lunch. I pack my lunch. I pack my backpack, bag or stuff. I pack my backpack, bag or stuff. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. I put on my jacket. I put on my jacket. I put on my jacket. I put my stuff on. I put my stuff on. I put my stuff on. I go to school. I go to school. I go to school. I head off to work. I head off to work. I head off to work. I head out to school. I head out to school. I head out to school. I leave the house around 7:30. I leave the house around 7:30. I drop off my kids at school. I drop off my kids at school. I drop off my kids at bus stop. I drop off my kids at bus stop. I walk to work. I walk to work. I walk to work. I take my car to work. I take my car to work. I take my car to work. I drive to work. I drive to work. I drive to work.